Okay, let's start the class from the beginning. What I have told you on the number line, all the negative numbers are at the left hand side of the zero and all the positive numbers are at the right hand side of the zero. Okay, now next, if we are adding a positive and a negative number, what we have to see? First of all, if the numbers are having positive sign, or negative sign, then we have to add them. For example, +2 +3 is +5 and -2 -3 is -5. यानी कि आप देख सकते हो, this was positive, this was positive, so the answer is also positive. If this is negative, answer is also negative. But in both the condition, we have to add the numbers. Okay, add using the same sign. What does it means? It means that we have to add the numbers using the same sign, but only when the numbers have same sign or like signs. Okay, next, rule number 2. Rule number 2 is when adding numbers with unlike signs. So what we have to do, use the sign of the larger number and subtract. This is rule number 2. Does this sound tricky? Is it difficult for you? No. If the signs are unlike, means for example, one number is negative and the other is positive, then what we have to do, the rule is saying that use the sign of larger number. Larger number is 6 and 6 is positive, so answer will be positive. And always subtract. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer is positive 1. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Now next, here, as you can see, first number is positive and the other number, if the other number is negative, then the rule is use the sign of larger number and subtract. For example, positive 5 and negative 3, then the larger number is positive, so answer will be positive, and 5 minus 3 is 2. And in the next example, larger number is 5, so the sign that we will use is negative, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So the here answer is -2, and in this example the answer is +2. Is it okay? Next, so what we have to do in this, do you see there is a balance of +2? Is there a balance of +2? Is it right or wrong? Because you can see the positive number is 5 and the negative number is 3 and the larger number is 5. So the answer will be positive and 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, what I have told you, rule number 2 says if one number is positive and the other is negative, then you have to subtract. Okay, Abhigana. Yes. Next. Okay. So we are having 5 negative sign here and 3 positive sign. 1, 2, 3. So is there? You can see this positive, this negative positive cancel each other. This negative positive cancel each other. This negative positive cancel each other. So what is left? Only 2 negative is left. That is why your answer is 2 negative. Is it clear? If we see the previous example, 5 positive sign means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive sign and 3 negative sign. 1, 2, 3 negative sign. So this positive negative cancel each other. This positive negative cancel each other. This positive negative cancel each other, and 2 positive is left. That is why your answer is 2 positive. So in this way also you can understand it clearly. Okay. Now try this. What will be the answer? Write your answer in the comment section. Write your answer in the comment section fast. What will be the answer? Everyone write your answer. Zain Khan, open your video. I will not remind each and everyone for every time. Beta सोच कर answer दो. What will be the answer? I want each and everyone to write the answer fast. Only Jatin and Yusuf have given me the answer. Azima, Lavi, Zain, everybody write your answer fast. Anushka, write your answer, beta. Right answer is +6. Yes. So you can see here the positive number is greater. The positive number is greater and the negative number is smaller. So answer will be positive, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So the answer is positive 6, or just write 6. Is it clear? Next. Exactly. So this is the explanation of the previous question. +6 is the right answer. 9 is larger, so subtract and use the positive sign. Okay. Now, what will be the answer now? What will be the answer? Tell me. Okay. Is -5 or -9? Which is the right answer? So as you can see here, that the negative number is larger, so answer will be negative, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is -5. Always, if one number is positive and the other is negative, then we have to subtract. Never add the number. So this is the explanation. 7 is larger, so subtract and two numbers, subtract the two numbers and then use a negative sign. Okay. So the answer is -5. Next, rule number 3. So I have told you two rules. Okay, first rule क्या था कि जब like sign होंगे means positive positive या negative negative, तो दोनों ही conditions में we have to add the numbers. बट अगर पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव है तो आंसर में पॉजिटिव साइन होगा, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव साइन होगा. सेकंड रूल वाज इफ वन नंबर इज पॉजिटिव and the other number was negative, so we have to use the sign of the larger number. Okay, and always subtract, and here always add. Now rule number 3 is to subtract a positive or a negative number, add the opposite number. For example, the opposite number of +7 is -7. We all know this very well, that the negative of, we can say the opposite of +7 is -7. Okay. and the opposite of positive 5 is negative 5, opposite of positive 10 is negative 10, opposite of negative 7 is positive 7. Now look at this rule for subtraction. To subtract a positive or negative number, add the opposite numbers. Okay, for example, we have to subtract. Okay, so positive 7 and positive 5, and we have to subtract. So as you can see here, I have told you to subtract a positive or negative number, add the opposite number. So we have to add the opposite number. So what we have done, positive 7 minus positive 5 is, you can say, positive 7 and negative 5. What? Why negative 5? Because this negative and positive sign become negative. Plus, minus, minus. So this is now negative 5. And now positive number is greater. That is why we will use the positive sign, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So the right answer is positive 2. In the same way, in this question, this negative sign becomes positive. Okay, now negative number is greater, so answer will be negative, but 7 minus 5 is 2. So answer is minus 2. Is it clear? Now we will do some more practice. Seven minus 5. Okay, 7 minus 5. So minus minus becomes plus. So now both the numbers are positive. So 7 plus 5, 12. And if both the numbers are positive, then answer will also be positive. So the answer is positive 12. Clear? Is it clear, Jatin? Next, negative 7 minus positive 5. So plus minus minus. Okay. Now both the numbers are negative. So answer will be negative, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So the answer is minus 12. So it means when we subtract a negative number, it is like adding a positive number. For example, we are subtracting a negative number 7, and we have to subtract a negative number, let's say 2. तो किसी नेगेटिव नंबर को अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो इसका मतलब उससे हमें ऐड करना है. Why? Because माइनस माइनस becomes प्लस. तो 7 plus 2. अब यहाँ पे कर तो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट रहे थे, बट एक्चुअली यहाँ पे हमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा. 7 plus 2 is 9. That is why subtracting a negative number is like adding a positive number. On the other hand, subtracting a positive number is like adding a negative number. Subtracting a positive number, for example, minus 5 and plus 3. Okay, so plus minus 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 5 minus 3. So now minus 8. Hope it is clear. Now, if you need to review the rules, the 3 rules, click the button below, okay, and you can revise it, but it is not for you, it is for me. So this is all about this chapter. Now I'm going to explain the other chapter, which is this, okay. But before this, let me tell you one important thing. This is chapter number 8, HCF and LCM. What is factor? Factor is a whole number that divides exactly into a given number. Okay. Factors come in pairs. For example, what are the factors of 30? What are the factors of 30? Better turn on your video. Shreyansh, Zain, Azima, everyone. So what are the factors of 30? 1 and 30. One thing is very sure, that 1 and the number itself is always a factor of the given number. 1 is the factor of every number and the number itself. And apart from them, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. So these are the factors. Now why I am telling in pairs, because if you will see 1 into 30 is 30, 2 into 15 is also 30, 3 into 10 is also 30, 5 into 6 is also 30. Okay. So what are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So all these numbers are the factors of 30. So in order, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay. Factors finder. So you will do it later. Now circle and square puzzle. This you can also do. This will be in the video. You can do it. Okay. Next, prime numbers. Now this is the table of the number from 1 to 100, and you have to tell the prime numbers. Azima, but you have to open your video during the test. Agar during the test आपने video open नहीं की, your test will not be acceptable. Okay, listen it very carefully. Now you have to tell that which number is a prime number. So 2 is a prime number. We can say 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5, then 7 is a prime number, then 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and so on. Okay. So what are prime numbers? If a whole number has 2 and only 2 factors, it is called a prime number. So prime numbers are the numbers which has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. So the definition of the prime number is very simple. Okay. Now, for example, The number 17 has two factors, 1 and 17 only. Therefore, 17 is a prime number. The number 1 has only one factor. That is why 1 is not a prime number. Some people or some students say that 1 is a prime number. If I ask them what is the smallest prime number, they say, sir, 1. But 1 is not the prime number. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 2 is the smallest prime number. And if I ask you why 1 is not a prime number, because 1 has only one factor, which is 1. That is why 1 is not a prime number. Okay, so 1 is not a prime number. There is only one even prime number. What is this? Can you guess? The only even prime number. Can you guess, students, what is the only even prime number? Yes, very good, Jatin. 2. Okay, 2 is the only even prime number. Rest all the prime numbers are odd. 2 is the only even prime numbers. Rest all the prime numbers are odd. The first 10 prime numbers are, so the first prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. So these are the first 10 prime numbers. Okay, Shreyansh? Okay. Next. This is the answer. Now the question is 107 a prime number? Is 107 a prime number? And we have to check if it is a prime number or not. So how are we going to check it? Now look at this. We can check whether or not a number is prime by testing for divisibility by successive number. First, हमें सबसे पहले देखो, अगर हमें चेक करना है if a given number is prime number or not, so सबसे पहले उसको चेक करेंगे कि वो 2 से divisible है या नहीं. So can you tell me, is 107 divisible by 2? Is 107 is divisible by 2? No, it is not, because divisibility for 2, it is very important that the unit number should be 0 or any even number. So it is not divisible by 2. The last digit is 7. So no. Is 107 is divisible by 3? The digit sum is 8, because 7 plus 1, 8. So of course it is not divisible by 3. You don't need to check for divisibility by 4. क्योंकि अगर कोई नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं है तो 4 से वो ऑटोमेटिकली डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. Okay, there is no multiple of 2 can divide into it. So we can say that now we will check, is 107 divisible by 5? No. The last digit is 7, so no. We don't need to check divisibility by 6, because if 2 doesn't divide 107, then no multiples of 2 can divide into 6. क्योंकि 6 2 का मल्टीपल है. 6 क्या है? 2 की टेबल में आता है. तो अगर कोई नंबर 2 से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा है तो वो 6 से भी डिवाइड नहीं होगा. इसी तरीके से 4 में जाके अगर कोई नंबर 2 से डिवाइड नहीं है तो वो 4 से भी डिवाइड नहीं होगा. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, we can check. Okay, next, 107 is divisible by 7. Dividing by 7 leaves a remainder, so it is not divisible by 7. We don't need to check for divisibility by 8 because if 2 doesn't divide 107, then no multiple of 2 can divide into it. Okay, और 9 से भी divisibility check करने की जरूरत नहीं क्योंकि ये 3 से divisible नहीं है, तो 9 का multiple, 9 is a multiple of 3. 9 3 के टेबल में होता है, तो अगर 3 से ये divisible नहीं है तो 9 से भी नहीं होगा. Fine. Next. We don't need to check divisibility by 10 क्योंकि 2 से divisible नहीं है तो 10 से भी नहीं होगा. So we can say that it is not a prime number. Oh, sorry. It is a prime number. So, okay. We don't need to check divisibility by 11. That means that any number that multiplied 11 would have to be bigger than 10. Okay, then 10 into 11 is bigger than 107. We can stop here, and 107 is up.